The gates of hell in China, past the Death Valley in Mount Kunlun.
If you're sick of popular National Road 319 and want some hardcore challenges, follow my line, but don't push yourselves.
Arrive in Gomad on the first day, prepare spare gases. Ordinary SUVs can't go through with one tank of gas. You should also prepare an HPO cylinder of 10 liters. The ordinary one, which can only be used a few times, isn't enough. Sleep early or you won't hold on next day. On the second day, you leave Gomad and pass by the temple with the highest altitude, Wuji Longfeng Palace. Then you enter the Death Valley. You can see many bodies of the wild animals. Once you enter it, that stinky smell reminds you that you are about to enter the interior of Mount Kunlun. What you will see is the chrono gates of Mount Kunlun, which is mentioned in novels. When you see the pyramid of Mount Kunlun, which is too straight to be natural, you will know how many funny things in this valley. There are cliff paintings left by ancient people more than 3,000 years ago. Then you will see the jade paw of Queen Mother of the West. An altitude of 4,300 meters, jade green. The only way animals must pass. We spend the night at the gold mine, which is 4,300 meters high. Put on all the equipment you prepared, cook noodles, take oxygen, or you'll go to hospital at midnight. When you wake up on the third day, get through the pass of 5,000 meters high and enter the toughest place in this valley. The altitude is dropping, but there's no way at all. We have managed to find a way beside Nariogo River. The unfamiliar way, the wild wolves and all kinds of bones. A critical thing is you need more spare tires. I mean, the spare tires for the cars. Since the stones are too sharp, you only stand less than 30% of the chances of passing without changing tires. When the view changes from the valley to the boundless horizon, congratulations. You're about to leave the Death Valley. You're just 300 kilometers away from today's destination, Mangya. Drive 50 kilometers from Mangya and you will arrive at Icon Spring at the Demon's Eye. Due to its high sulfur content, no plants grow here. The animals can't get close. See it from the sky. The red spot on the ground seems like a demon's eye, which have stared at you for centuries. Drive 100 kilometers west and enter Xinjiang. There are salt fields everywhere. The white salt beside the deep green lake, that's a natural color on the salt fields. Sleep in Ruochang tonight. You do have the authentic Xinjiang barbecue and noodles made by Han Lu. Follow me. We will start hardcore travel next time.